Welcome back to one of my rant sessions. So, I was thinking about having to go back to India, and oh my god, I have so much to say about it. Since most of my audience is Indian, you guys will probably relate to it, but it's already hard enough with the layoff and the logistical move. But अब एक सर पे नई tension आ गई है कि I have to face people back home. And in an Indian society, if there is something more lacking than civic sense, it is actually the ability to mind their own business and establishing boundaries. So, I'm afraid that I might have to answer a lot of questions that I'm actually not prepared for because I have been through enough. While going abroad has become relatively more accessible for people in India, it is still something that a lot of people dream of and are not able to do. So जो लोग actually abroad जाते हैं उनकी ना एक अलग सी चौड़ और एक अलग सी image बन जाती है. And every time these people visit home, they bring back all these gifts, they come back with a glow up, with a new wardrobe. तो लोग उनको देख के बोलते हैं कि वाह abroad जाके कितना ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया. मैं भी छोटी थी and मेरा abroad से कोई रिश्तेदार आता था. I used to be so excited because they would always come bearing all these fancy gifts and fancy chocolates, and one day I wanted to be that person to my cousins and to my रिश्तेदार. भाई तो ऐसे सपने मैंने भी देखे थे कि मैं अब्रॉड जाऊंगी, घर वापस आऊंगी पूरा ऐसे ग्लो अप होके, महंगे महंगे गिफ्ट लाऊंगी फैमिली के लिए, तो वो बोलेंगे कि वाह ये कितनी सक्सेसफुल हो गई है. बट भाई ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ. मिक्स्ड फीलिंग because I'm really excited to see my family and the people that I love that I haven't met in so long, but I'm not really looking forward to sitting in the same room with the people who only pretend to be happy for you during your successes, but secretly they want you to fail. We'll fight you on this, but in an Indian society, there are more snakes in your life than there are well-wishers, and these snakes hide in your families, in your neighborhood, in your friend circle. Even in your well-wishers, there are actually people who are genuinely happy for you when you succeed, but only within the bounds of what their idea of success is. If you get successful beyond that, they start talking shit about you like, oh, must have gotten lucky, or if you're a female, they say other kinds of shit about your success. In fact, I used to be toxic like that. मैं किसी की भी success पे खुश नहीं होती थी, मैं jealous होती थी because for some reason there is so much unhealthy competition, and I hate to say this, but unfortunately it's actually the people closest to us that trigger this sense of competition in us. A lot of you actually DM me telling me how brave I am for announcing my layoff to the world. I didn't get it back then, but I get it now. In an Indian society, if a person goes abroad and is not able to make it there because of a layoff or visa situation and they come back, these people are labeled as failures. So right now, I am going back as a failure, and nobody wants to be called this shit. So people don't talk about this real stuff. I can bet my ass कि ऐसे कितने लोग होंगे जिन्होंने मेरी वीडियोस देख के बोला होगा कि ओ इसके बाप ने इस पे कितने पैसे लगाए, क्या ही फायदा हुआ, लड़की तो कुछ कर नहीं पाई लाइफ में. I'm pretty damn sure. And I know some of you might say that I'm totally overthinking this and nobody really cares about me. I'm not that important for them to talk about me. But having grown up in that culture, do you really blame me?